Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add notes or send notes to Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, notes are pretty much just small sort of comments which you can add or leave on Reels, and sometimes, in my case, it appears on certain reels it doesn't. Not sure why. I restarted my app and it started to work on certain reels. Maybe if you clear your cache, reinstall, update Instagram, you need to make sure that Instagram is fully updated for this to work, and even then it might not be available for you or in your region. So it's pretty much luck based at this point, since Instagram rolls out different updates or different features to different regions at different times, but it doesn't really matter. Now, as you can see, I'll watch this reel here that I have on my screen, and the way that you add notes or send notes is pretty much you just need to click on the share icon in the bottom right, and usually it should appear at the bottom left right next to add to story, but in this case it didn't. So to the far right, as you can see, I can click add note, and here I can add whichever note I would like, and that is pretty much what you need to do. I won't be sharing any notes simply because I don't want to uh, well, put too much things on one reel at a time. I won't be I don't want this person to get notifications and clog up their notifications possibly, so I won't be doing it here. Let me just see if it's available on any of my reels. Pretty much you can do the same on posts and notes as well. So if you scroll to the right, as you can see, I have a note for one of my posts, and from one of my reels, I don't have the option to add a note. But let me try the other reel, and it doesn't work for there, but pretty much I'll just do it for the post because why not? You can add a note. I'll just name it test, click share, and now that note has appeared, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.